Hi, welcome. This is a new series called the Sourdough Chronicles. And I have been so excited to get on here and show you guys the basics of creating a sourdough starter from scratch. Okay. But first, I have a funny story. I just filmed in a 3-minute beautiful video on putting together a brand new starter. And then when I went to play it, it had no audio. So I have to do it again, which I'm happy to do. Anyway, here's the finished product. We're going to talk about it. Okay, so basically, a starter is a great way to get going on healthy baking. Now, you don't have to be a sourdough artisan and create these big, beautiful, puffy loaves of authentic sourdough starter to have a starter. You can use a starter to bake cookies, chocolate cake, pancakes, waffles, regular sandwich bread, just regular 2-hour sandwich bread. You can put some of your little bit of your starter in it, and it creates this beautiful, healthy flavor. It's just the wonderful sour tang. The fermentation is real healthy for you. There's loads of research about it, but I'm going to get right into creating a starter from scratch. You're going to laugh. It's so easy. It's ridiculous. It does take some time. It takes 7 days. You got to feed it every day. Let's get started. Basically, what you're going to do, and I'm not going to do this again, but you're going to take a jar like this, and you're going to take 50 grams of flour. I've got flour right here. Okay, it's about half a cup, a little bit more than half a cup. It basically looks like this. And I'm going to link all my products below in there. It's in my sourdough store. This is Anchor Hocking. I love their glassware. Same thing, Anchor Hocking. 50 grams of water, and you're going to put those in a jar, and you're going to combine them. So let's pretend I put these two in the jar. So 50 grams, so it's 1 to 1, 50 grams of starter, 50 grams of flour, and you're going to stir it vigorously until you get this nice. I just created this. Look at the beautiful texture of it. It is like wonderful. It's got that nice stretch already. This is going to be put on the counter until tomorrow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed it again with 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of water. And I'm just going to combine them, put them in the jar. That's actually already in the jar. So I'm just going to keep this jar, and I'm going to discard. I'll show you this tomorrow. I'm going to be here 7 days to show you how this is done. I'm going to discard half of this, and again, do 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour. Put it in, stir. Just keep going. 1 to 1 ratio, 1 to 1. And that's it. Here's another tip that you have to follow. This is a must. When you put the lid on, you don't need to buy any fancy cheesecloth. You can with a rubber band, because you're afraid it's going to need air. You just need to put that lid on until you start to feel it stop, and then stop. You're just going to have a little jiggle. You want it to get air, so leave it like that. Do not tighten this jar. Leave it loose. Do not put it in the fridge. We are creating a sourdough starter, so it has to sit out between 70 and 80 degrees. Hopefully your house is between that temperature, which is great, or close to. Let it sit out and feed it every single day. Try it at the same time every day. If you don't, it's okay. No big deal. So that's it. This is a mature sourdough starter that I just fed. Absolutely beautiful. These are both going to sit out. I'm going to actually put that one in the fridge, and tomorrow I'm going to make bread today. Let's talk flour, okay? You don't have to buy expensive flour. I will advise you not to use all-purpose flour, but you can if that's all you have. The reason for that is that all-purpose flour only has about, I don't know, 10% gluten, or 10. It's like a 10 rating of gluten, and bread flour is higher. So it creates that, like gluten creates that lift and that puff and all that beautiful, when you smash it, it just comes back and it's fluffy. That's what gluten gives it. And it has to have enough strength to do that. And all-purpose flour can fall behind a little bit on that. However, the good news is I have tested lots and lots of flours. And by far, I like Bob's Red Mill artisan flour. And it's in the supermarket. It's also on Amazon, and I'll link that in my store. It's affordable. It's very, very, very good flour. And of course, you can tell I buy a lot of it because you can see my big tub. That's all there is to it. So stick around because I'm going to do the same video every day. I'm just going to feed it. I think what I'm going to do is I'll do a video tomorrow. So I'll have 2 videos starting and then I'll do stories and finish up. Then when we get to the 7th day, it will look like this, nice and big and fluffy. And I will talk about maintaining it for years. You can just maintain it for years. You can also freeze part of it and never ever fear that you're going to be without a starter. I'm going to talk about that too. Very cool. Let's see, what did I forget? Well, that's it. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow.